How is machine learning helping in fighting cancer? 14 million people are diagnosed with cancer every year around the world. Even after the diagnosis, there's still uncertainty if it can affect those people once again in their lifetime. So first, we'll have to see where are we lacking. For decades, pathologists from all around the world have been performing cancer diagnosis and prognosis, predicting the development of a disease. Most pathologists have seen a 96 to 98% success rate for diagnosing cancer, so we have come really ahead in that part. According to the Oslo University Hospital, the accuracy of prognosis is only 60% for pathologists, and that is a major concern for now. For prognosis, a part of a tissue that is affected with the disease is taken for sample to predict the development of a disease. The problem is even if someone is diagnosed with cancer, we can't say surely for now if the disease won't affect them in future. And that is where machine learning can play a big role. The main function of machine learning is to learn from the data that is fed into the system and provide outcomes using this data. Now you must be asking, how is it going to make the prognosis better? Well, as we know, machines work much faster and better than humans. Machines can do tasks in seconds that humans can take days to finish. Machine learning has an edge over pathologists. For example, a biopsy report takes 10 days for a pathologist, whereas a computer can do it in a matter of seconds. Machine learning is a great tool for this field. Machines can do tasks that humans cannot do that well. They can repeat a given task thousands of times without getting weared out. Especially with machine learning, after every iteration, it can use the data to improve the outcomes. Currently, the application of artificial intelligence is being employed to increase efficiency and accuracy in cancer diagnosis. Researchers in South Korea have developed a prediction model for the prognosis of patients suffering from gastric cancer using deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning. Compared to other models, deep learning showed superior predictive power. Not just prognosis, but machine learning have been contributing towards cancer detection as well. One of the methods being used for cancer detection is gene expression data method. It is said to be very complex for pathologists. Researchers from Oregon State University have used deep learning for the extraction of meaningful features from gene expression data, making it useful for detection of breast cancer. Another field is cancer classification with deep neural networks. A research by Stanford University Research have shown that their convolution neural network CNN have performed tests with results same with experts from the field. A convolutional neural network is a neural network that is used for image recognition and processing pixel data. Google's CNN system have achieved results from skin cancer identification with an accuracy rate same as practitioners. This can potentially extend the reach of the technology outside the clinic and then making it accessible possibly through a mobile phone. Diagnosing cancer. For diagnosing cancer, there is a need for equal focus on efficiency and accuracy, which adds to the complexity of the process. This has led to researchers in Netherlands to use deep learning to improve the efficiency of histopathologic slide analysis. Histopathology is the microscopic examination of tissue to see how a disease is affecting it. Through deep learning, the workload on the pathologists will reduce with increasing the accuracy of results in this field. Researchers from Oak Ridge National Laboratory (ORNL) are applying deep learning to collect cancer reports for forming a network of cancer registry in the US. Tracking tumor development. Researchers from Fraunhofer Institute for Medical Image Computing in Germany are also using deep learning to measure the size of growing tumor. The core of deep learning is that the more data that is available, the more accurate results it produces. Google's deep learning also has a big contribution in fighting cancer. Its deep learning algorithm, Inception, is being trained to identify breast cancer tumors. This algorithm reached a score of 89% accuracy, whereas pathologists could only reach 73% accuracy in the test. There have been efforts from all around the world to use deep learning for fighting the cancer, as the disease is still a big problem even after so many years. Many research oriented companies are pushing for innovation with machine learning in this field. Many global startups like Behold AI, Analytic, and others have joined the forces to eradicate cancer. In coming years, with research through machine learning, it can be possible to find a cure for development of cancer. Interesting, isn't it? Make sure to like this video, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.